So hey guys, Abram here. So in this video I am going to show you how to fix jack when compiling Android N. Most of you guys, after compiling Android N, you have faced an issue like uh, uh, jack running out of memory or something like that. So I have made a fix here. Actually there is so many fixes out there on the internet. I have just wrote a program to run one of that. So let's go into my program. Basically I have this program which is actually coded in Python or Python 2. I could also code in even the bash. It's basically running bash program inside the Python. I like Python, so I just did so. So first of all we are going to import OS. Then basically OS is a module which allows you to run a particular command on bash, or basically any command interpreter that Linux has. So we are going to run this command: export jack server VM arguments. Basically what you have to look is that there is XMX4G. That means 4 gigabytes of memory will be allocated for jack VM. You should have a minimum of 8 GB in your 8 GB of RAM in your PC to allocate this much memory, because 4 GB will be allocated, and if you are not having 4 GB minimum of 8 GB of memory in your PC, then you will get some error like cannot allocate memory, and your Mac will stop making stuff. So you have to have a system with a good amount of memory. I will recommend 8 GB or above. So this is actually a external command, that is jack server VM arguments is a variable. We are storing into the variable this string. Actually what it does is, when we run a jack server, that is I think in here in the pre-built SDK tools, then jack admin. If we run the jack admin and tell it to start a server, like what I do so here, if I tell it to start a server, it will just look for this variable, and if it has any arguments, then it will pass that arguments into the main VM. So it just makes the VM with those arguments. If you are not so good with programming, or if you don't want to know how the programming and stuff works, you can just clone this repository, or just download it as a zip, and you can just run install.bash. You have to run chmod 777 or chmod plus x, the file that is the install.bash, before you can run that program, because in Linux there are permissions to make a program execute, or make a file execute or not. That is the right term. So you have to run the command to make it executable, then you have to run the file install.bash. It will install it, and you can just run fix jack. It will be moving this file from fix java to fix jack, so you can just run fix jack. You don't need to specify a directory, that will be copied to /user/bin, so you can just run fix jack, and you have to be in the directory which where the jack is. Jack, that is the repository, not the repository, the ROM is, that is, I will demonstrate here. This is the VM which I used to build my ROMs for Eureka. So let me go to okay, sorry, that doesn't exist. In my Arch Linux machine, I use utlist, but in this PCManF. So anyway, back to the point. We can see that there are so many directories here. Let me go to my compilation directory. There is jack. So I have cloned this into the machine. Then if I run this, basically I have to get a terminal here. So yeah, this sudo -s to get root access. If you don't have root access, it will not work, because you have to I have written commands to copy the file to the /user/bin that requires root privileges. So if it doesn't find a root privilege, it just quits. Okay, so you can just run install.bash. Yeah, okay. So after this, you can see that it has copied and it has made the file executable, and it has run fix.jack. But if you're having problems running the install.bash, you have to run chmod +x install.bash. It will fix it. Then you can just run install.bash. After this, you have to run fix jack. So you can see that I am not in the ROM directory, but there is a bug in my programming. I am not bothered to fix that bug, but because of that bug, it will not quit if it does not find the file. So you have to be in a ROM directory. So let me go to an Android Ice Code project. This Android M, but it will work for Android, and or I can go to ACP. Yeah, this Android N. So here, if I run jack fix jack, it should fix the jack server. Then you can like make clean and branch the device or something like that, which you have. I have discovered, so that's what he is telling. So that's all for this video. I hope it works for you, and stay tuned for more videos, and please subscribe.